Hi everybody, my name is Olga with GEM Accounting and Tax. At GEM Accounting and Tax, we are a full-service bookkeeping and an accounting firm that offers support for organizations in early childhood education. So today we want to talk about a topic that is very dear to me, and that is how can you tell the difference between a bookkeeper and an accountant? And do you really need an accountant once you have a bookkeeper in place? Well, in my opinion, a bookkeeper is very important. And why do I say this? Your bookkeeper is primarily responsible for accurate data entry to make sure that your financials are complete, that you have captured and categorized accurately the transactions of the business. At the end of the day, your bookkeeper will give you a set of financials, possibly made up of the profit and loss account, your balance sheet, possibly a cash flow statement. You want a detail-oriented bookkeeper that will make sure that this data is accurate. On the other hand, the accountant uses the data that has been organized and categorized by your bookkeeper, right, to interpret this data. Is your company profitable? Do you have adequate cash flow? What about your financial risk? Do you need a budget? Are you keeping to your budget? Are you doing a budget over actuals analysis? That is where a good accountant comes in. But keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, that it is very important that we have a good foundation for the accountant to work with. If the bookkeeper doesn't lay a solid groundwork for the data entry, then whatever work that the accountant does might not make a lot of sense. So say, for example, you come to an accountant and then you need to do a business plan, maybe a cash flow projection, or you kind of want to expand, right? And you want to see how these numbers play out if you add 90 more children or you expand to a new location. What are the costs going to look like? If the bookkeeper has been keeping good records, that can be a foundation for you to look at projections, financial projections. How many kids? How much will that cost us? How many teachers do we need in each classroom? Okay. Accountants also come in as tax strategists. And what I mean by this is a lot of times you find when you've been in business and sometimes you're successful, you might end up owing a lot more than you anticipate to the authorities, the IRS, your state government. And so a good accountant will work with you proactively to save money on your taxes. But before the accountant can do their job, they need to know that your numbers are solid. They need to know that your projections make sense. So it can make a big difference if I'm projecting $1 million in profit versus $100,000 in profit. So I need to know that these numbers are accurate. So in conclusion, it is very important to understand the interaction between a bookkeeper and an accountant. The bookkeeper lays the foundation with accurate record keeping. The accountant will tell you the story and help you manage your business, make strategic decisions in order to grow your business. So, ladies and gentlemen, you do need a good bookkeeper and you also need a good accountant. This will make part of your power team as you run your business. Again, this is Olga with GEM Accounting and Tax. If you have any questions, please reach out, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.